Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add music to Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. On Instagram, swipe to the right, and now you are able to create a story. You can take a picture or you can upload some photo or video from your camera roll. Let it be that one. And now in order to add a music to your story, you should tap right here at the very top at that stickers icon, just like that. And right here you can easily find that music sticker. If you can't find that sticker right there, you can hit at search, then just search for music, and in that way you can easily find the music sticker. Now you can tap on that, and on that step you are able to select music that you want to add to that story. You can select one from For You, that's the suggested songs. You can scroll down, you can hit that play sign to listen to that song. Also, you can hit at browse, and there you can find different categories like happy, love, hip hop, R&B and soul, happy, genres, moods, themes. So you can hit at see more, for example, and then try to find music here. Or you can hit at search music to search for some specific music. Let it be Lady Gaga, and then you can hit at Lady Gaga's album and then select one song that you like the most. Let it be that one. You can just hit on that to add this song to your story. Now you can select the exact part of the song that you want to add. In that way, just drag it left or right, and also you can hit at that icons to add text of that song to your video, or you can just add that album lyrics. Or even, let me show you a cool trick, you can even hide these lyrics from your story. You can just tap and hold. So first hit a done, and then you can tap and hold to move it, and then you should move that thing out of that screen, just like that. You see how it works? Now there is a music at that story, but you can't see anything, any sticker, any widget. And once you finished with that, you can just hit at next, and then you can hit at share to share this story with your followers. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.